To help Fin give clear, accurate, and up-to-date answers to your customers, you need to train it with the right support content. Fin learns from a variety of public and private knowledge sources, like your website, Help Center articles, external documents like PDFs, and even generated content from past customer conversations in your inbox. Let's look at all of these knowledge sources and how to add them. Let's start with syncing content from a website. This lets you pull content from public URLs to quickly expand Fin's knowledge, even if you don't have a dedicated help center yet. Adding a top-level domain like this will give you the best results. This lets Fin read all the subdomain pages in it and learn from a wider range. If you're using your website, for example, and want to be more specific, you can use more advanced settings to add subpages like the pricing page, for example, or your blog. Fin will then sync this content from these URLs once a week to ensure everything's up to date. Next up, Zendesk's knowledge base. If your support content already lives there, then there's no need to rebuild it in Intercom. Just paste the unique part of your Zendesk URL that comes before .zendesk.com, and you can make full categories or collections available to Fin. Private articles can stay hidden from Fin or made accessible by toggling this option on. There's two ways to use this content. You can either import it to manage and edit public articles directly in Intercom, or sync them here but keep managing this content in Zendesk. Intercom will create a view-only version that updates any changes automatically, and in all cases, you stay in control over who can see each article and which ones Fin can use. Now, let's talk more about a dynamic knowledge source, which is content from conversations. Enabling this type of content will help you improve resolution rates by letting Fin identify and fill content gaps. The best part about this is that you don't need to dedicate time to do this yourself manually. Say a teammate answered a complex payment question before in a way that resolved the customer's issue. Fin will suggest and generate helpful articles or snippets from that conversation so you can add it to your knowledge. Once you approve it, Fin and your team can benefit from that context in the future. You'll always stay in control of which conversation Fin learns from by excluding new teammates, for example, and prioritizing more senior teammates or teams to ensure Fin learns from their experience. So far, we've looked at using existing content, but what if you want to create something new? You can do that by creating a new article or a snippet. Articles are perfect for detailed content like troubleshooting steps, while snippets are great for quick updates or frequently asked questions. Unlike articles, snippets don't appear in your help center, so they're ideal for keeping Fin's answers accurate and updated without cluttering your public help content. In both content types, you can manage audiences that see it. This is particularly helpful for when you have content that's only relevant for certain audiences to see, like customers on a specific plan or have access to a particular product. Once the article is published or the snippet is saved, Fin can start using it, unless you choose to turn this off. Another content source Fin can use is external documents like PDFs. These are great for structured content like user manuals or product guides. Just upload a document that meets these guidelines, and Fin will extract the text within minutes to use in its answers. This content type is private, so don't worry, Fin won't show your customers the source link to it. All the content you've added will show up here, allowing you to easily manage everything in one place. You can now start asking Fin questions to preview how it responds using the content you've provided it. This lets you fine-tune the answers and keep improving them as you go.